14 फेब्रुवाराक पुलवामा सीआरपीएफच्या ताफ्याचेर दहशतवादी हल्लो जालो। 42 जवान शहीद झाले। स्वतः जैश ए मोहम्मदाच्या मुखेल्यान ताच्याच दहशतवाद्यांनी फिदाईन हल्लो केलो म्हूण जाहीरूय केले। मात काँग्रेसीक तो दहशतवादी हल्लो म्हणपाचेरूय दुबाव। काँग्रेस आशिल्ली तशी राजकीय मोडात। दुबाव प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आणि बीजेपीचो अध्यक्ष अमित शहाचेर। गोयच्या ह्या रिपोर्टराचो पयली प्रश्न आयकात आणि ताचेर काँग्रेसीची ही जाप।
Sir, you said that BJP for short-term political gain, they are misusing institutions of the country. So, do you also think they are misusing institutions like army for their own political gain?
Yes, people are thinking so. Now, this man will go to any extent because the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah together, both combination together. Even recently, some video clipping has come out openly. Even the Gotra incident was planted by BJP itself like that. Still recently someone has told also. From their own man. It is not from the Congress or from any other political party. From the BJP circle. Recently someone has told, I could not able to recall the name now, but someone has come out very clearly that it is that Gotra incident is done, manipulated and orchestrated by the BJP like that. So if it is so, why not this पुलवामा इन्सिडेंट ऑल्सो।
चेल्ला कुमारान सुरुवात केली गोद्रावेल्यान। नेमकी नावा ना पण विषय मोदी मेरेन पावयलो। ते पळयल्यार मोदी आणि शाह खंय वेंचणुके खातीर खंयच्याय थरार वचूंक शकतात। दहशतवादी जैश आणि मसूद अझहरुल्ले कडेक चेल्लाची उतरां आयकात।
This man will go to any extent. Mr. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah together, both combination together.
पुलवामा हल्लो करपी जैशान स्वतः जाहीर करू नये पुलवामा हल्ल्यातल्या दहशतवाद्याची बॉडी खंय काय म्हूण काँग्रेसीक दुबाव भारताच्या प्रधानमंत्र्याचेर।
They have identified all the Jawan's body. Where is the terrorist body? Till now they could not able to show to the people. So he is not a public representative. He is not a public leader. This man will go to any extent.
एकेवटेन दहशतवादा आड कारवाये वेल्यान गेर्राची परिस्थिती उप्रासल्या असताना पाकिस्तानी सरकार आणि चॅनलांक काँग्रेसीचो आयतो मसालो। चेल्ला कुमाराच्या स्टेटमेंटा उपरांत बीजेपीन पणजे काँग्रेस हाऊसाचेर मोर्चा काढलो। चेल्ला कुमार सुटला। राहुल गांधीन ताका देवोवचो।
बाब चेल्ला कुमार हेणे आज आपली जसो मनीस तकलेन सुटलो की उलयता मेंटली डिझायन जाल्ल्या भशेन आनी हांव मागणी करता राहुल गांधी कडेन ते कापासतात आसल्यार हेणे चेल्ला कुमाराक राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणींतल्यान आनी सचिव पदांतल्यान काडून उचलून आनी दाखोवन दिवचें आपूण मी राष्ट्रभक्त आसा।
Are you now asking for proof that our soldiers were martyred in Pulwama? Why is it that the Congress party is again and again singing the Pakistani tune, earlier asking for proof of surgical strike earlier, and today raising doubts over the martyrdom of our brave soldiers?
Bureau Report Prudent.